It is not often an all-new International makes its way to little old New Zealand. We've had the new RH a couple of years, but the HX is a new, bold and heavy-duty offering from the brand that will likely ruffle a few feathers in the market. Napier-based Galbraith earth movers have taken delivery of the first International HX 520 to grace New Zealand's roads. The model debuted here last November, having been available in the North American market for almost 3 years. It's the first time the model has appeared in a market outside the Americas, and the first in right-hand drive as well. Yeah, I'm liking this truck, says the HX's driver Rochelle Christensen, and really, how could you not? It looks the business, it's a truck that appeals to truckies. They tell me it's real staunch, Rochelle comments with a bit of a laugh. Like most of the trucks in the fleet, the HX runs at 45 tonne with its 4-axle trailer, and if owners Steve and Kellyanne Galbraith had a change of heart, the HX could easily couple up to a 5-axle trailer and run up to 54 tonne. The HX shares its platform with the RH, but runs heavy-duty components. Up front is the 7.25 tonne Meritor MFS 143 wide-track axle on 7.2 tonne 3-leaf suspension. As an HX 520, the axle is set forward with a 760mm measurement from the centre of the front axle to the front bumper. At the rear, Meritor RT5160 GP 50,000 pound axles are paired with 4-bag International ride optimised suspension. The truck is good for 11.2 tonne, but I keep it just under 11, says Rochelle. The wheelbase measures in at 5,460mm, and the unit is rated to 24,760 kg GVM and 90,000 kg GCM. The bare cabin chassis tiered in at 7,995 kgs when delivered, and once the build was completed, it came in at 11,600 kgs with the tidy transport trailer steel bin, drawbeam and hydraulics all fitted. It's got a really good steering lock, comments Rochelle, definitely a benefit of the Meritor wide track axle. Rochelle expertly conducts proceedings via the 18-speed 20 Series Road Ranger and the hydraulic air assist clutch that operates like a hot knife through butter. Because after all, at 45 tonne, the 605 horsepower X15 would hardly be stressed and hums along at 1480 RPM at 90 km per hour with ease. It goes very well in the hills, probably half a gear up on the Freightliner Coronado I was in before this, comments Rochelle. After 14,300 kilometres, the Big Cummins is returning a perfectly respectable economy figure of 2.12 kilometres per litre. Like the RH and the ProStar before it, the HX is factory converted in New Zealand at Inter-Truck Distributors Assembly Plant in Tauriko. Quality, functionality and technology are significantly improved. It's a thoroughly modern environment. The cab is the same day cab item as in the RH. In the HX though, the flat squared off hood significantly changes the view forward. The result is a mix of modern visibility with a traditional view over a big square bonnet, and a real good look too. The all-new gauge cluster is stylish and sophisticated, with a programmable full-colour digital information screen. And this is easily operated by a 5-way toggle button under the instrument cluster and allows the driver to access a wide range of vehicle information. As for the dash wrap, it is a classy but functional 2-tier design. International's upmarket Diamond Elite trim is accented by carbon fibre inserts and enhanced by the optional Premium Plus trim package that goes full American with diamond quilted slate grey trim, as well as the handy storage and cup holder console between the seats. HX also recorded a very good 72 decibels average noise level at a steady 90 km per hour. The HX also boasts a few nifty design features to ease the driver's job. For example, those pedestal mirrors feature integrated turn signals in the lower glass, while the mirror housing inner edge is in a matte finish eliminating reflections. Likewise, the exterior grab handles have rubber inserts to aid grip. Simple but incredibly practical. Since we received the first hint that the HX may be coming to New Zealand, we've been itching to get to know it. It made a good first impression at its launch, and spending a couple of days with Rochelle to see what it has to offer makes us want to jump in, load up whatever's available, and take it to wherever it needs to go. Even as a humble day cab tipper, it oozes heaps of staunch character. But the fact it runs on proven underpinnings, has a familiar powertrain, is easy and enjoyable to drive, tackles the job without a sweat, and is such an effortlessly cool truck means HX numbers 2, 3, 4 and so on will easily find welcoming homes in fleets throughout the country. We can't wait to feature another one. To read the full story on the new HX 520 International and Transport Trailers combination for the Galbraith team of Napier, then catch a copy of the August 2025 issue of New Zealand Trucking Magazine, or subscribe to the digital platform and view the entire feature there. See the links below. Also remember to hit those thumbs up and subscribe buttons right now to be notified of fresh new content as we upload it for you. From all of us here at New Zealand Trucking Media, thanks for watching, have a fantastic month out there and travel safe.